Hi guys, welcome back to Gorman K Vlogs. It's been long. We have not posted much. We were busy. Now we are back again, and today is a very special day. We are going to get a brand new car. Let's see which car it is. Are you excited, Simran?
Yes.
Okay guys, excitement बहुत हो रही है. क्या बताऊँ मैं? अजीब भी लग रहा है, पर excitement भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है. Is it the GLA, EQC, G63 AMG, GLC AMG, the E-Class, the C-Class? That's the GLC. Which car are we buying? Okay, look at the coffee. Look at the coffee, guys. Now this is class. I'm having green
follow
apple
up
juice.
from
Is that right?
dealership after
Coffee,
vehicle
that is
handle
right.
to the
Sir from Aspen. So here's a talking box. This is your second key. And there's another document folder for you.
put all these documents there.
Yes.
You want to put it?
Great gesture from Global Star Mercedes.
This is your dealership.
L is a lock.
Okay.
The best?
अभी आई नहीं है यहाँ पे.
Best or nothing.
Best or nothing?
ये मर्सिडीज की कोटिंग है ये अपनी कोटिंग
Okay, that's the car, guys.
और ये all
खुलने वाली है.
together unveil the car. I'll make a video.
The new E-Class. Grey is what we have got. Beauty.
गाइस कोई भी अच्छा काम करे, बड़ा काम करे, उसके बाद गुरुद्वारे आते हैं हम सबसे पहले. दिस इज़ बंगला साहिब गुरुद्वारा. प्रशांत. मनर इज़ वेरी हैप्पी. मनर इज़ वेरी हैप्पी. जब हम गाड़ी लेने जा रहे थे तब मनर के पेट में बटरफ्लाइज आ गई थी, जैसे एग्ज़ाम से पहले आती हैं.
गुरुद्वारे होने के बाद अब खाने की बारी है. So we have sushi over here, guys. We've come to actually Tamra. It's a beautiful place. This is Tamra is a restaurant in Shangri-La. We wanted to eat a lot, so opted for a buffet. Oh my God, Mamma Mia! The desserts look amazing, guys. Beautiful. Look at this. Teppanyaki, guys. I'm having the lamb one, and everyone else is having fish. Guys, look at my plate. That's the lamb. Big fan of sushi. Wow. Time for some dim sums, guys. एक ही बंदे की प्लेट है. Mom dim sums. Guys, देखिए दानव को 10-12 सुशी खा चुकी है. पर 10-12 ये देखो इतने रह गए. आपने देखी थी ना प्लेट, गाइस. सारे सिमरन ने खाए. Yes.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
Wow. What? How grown up are you, yeah? Very strong. Guys, this is my favorite thing. All of them are for me. I want to go into that. Guys, देखिए. फिर sushi.
I love sushi rolls.
Yeah, clearly.
Can't help it.
She loves them, man. They're actually for both of us. I'm
Yeah.
also a big fan of sushi though. I've ordered the prawns also. Guys, look at the dessert section. Wow. I'm gonna have every flavor of ice cream, especially the one in the center, banana caramel. That's my favorite. So we have chocolate vegan, hazelnut. I like this. Salted caramel is definitely good. Where's the cheesecake? Oh, this is my personal favorite, guys. Cheesecake. Indian section. I am not fond of Indian sweets, so I'm not gonna have this. We have hummus over here. Okay, so guys, I've been to a lot of buffets. This buffet is one of easily the most lavish that I've seen. Tamra, Shangri-La. It's a must-have, guys. Okay, so we have a live seafood section over here. Sea bass is over there for people who love sea. Biryani and Indian section, followed by some golgappas and some Chinese food. Love Chinese. There's Thai section as well. Couple of kinds of Thai curries, green and red. Dim sums and Indian food, where we have Rogan Josh, butter chicken, dal makhani, etc.